Hey guys, welcome to Nikki's Fashion Diary. This video is going to be, I don't know what it's going to be like, to be honest. Like, I have any idea? I have no idea. So hopefully it could be weird, it could be cool, it could be a mixture of the both. So what you guys are seeing, if you're new, then you haven't seen my old hair, and we're going to call it old hair because it was 2017 hair. I'm like getting with it in 2018. I'm sporting a new do. Guys, I cut off a lot. My hair like was down to my back. It was really long and it was time to cut the hair. Not only did we cut it, but I have a really cool stylist and I was like, hey, listen girl, I want that hair that you're cutting off. So she was like, that hair that's on the floor? I'm like, yeah, I want that hair. That hair is my hair. That hair is mine. Literally. So my stylist was like, what are you gonna do with your hair? I'm like, I don't know. I actually don't know what I'm gonna do, but I want my hair. So let me show you. This hair right here. I was like, do you have a bag? Do you have a bag for my hair? She's like, I have a bag. I have a bag for your hair. This right here, guys, this is my 2017 hair. Out with the old and in with the new. But you might ask yourself, just what the heck are you gonna do with that hair? I was thinking about it and I thought, okay, I think what I'm gonna do is make a voodoo doll out of my hair. Could be weird, could be cool, I have no idea. All I know is that this is my 2017 hair. Oh my god. It's actually kind of crazy. I have enough to make my voodoo doll out of hair. We're going to attempt that. Actually, it smells fantastic because I washed it the day before she cut it. Let's attempt to make a voodoo doll out of this hair. We've got our hair. We've got our rubber bands. I could get fancy and put like googly eyeballs on it and stuff. You know, I didn't think that far ahead, guys. Now that I'm thinking about it, it sounds like a really good idea. So first, I'm just winging it, guys. Just wing it with me. We're going to, alright, so let's see. It is in a ball, so let's undo our ball. I'm wondering how much hair, I mean, that's a lot of hair, y'all. That's a lot of hair. That's really in there. That is really in a ball here. Alright, let's just see. Work with me. Alright, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to take this as the head. Okay, so this is going to be the voodoo doll head. So we have our rubber band. And I'll probably put it around one more time. So we've got our head. Okay. And we need some arms. We need some arms on this dolly doll. Alright, so let's see here. Ooh, that looks like a good arm. Ooh. Oh, this could be a good arm. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling the arm on this guy. Alright. So here's, I like that. Oh, guys, this is going to be so cool. I'm like already excited and my hair is falling everywhere. But it's okay. It's mine. And I know where it's been. On my head. Alright, so we've got an arm. This one is a little too much. So here's our arm. Actually, that arm, I removed an arm. We're going to put that back somewhere in the body. Alright, so I like this arm, the way that's looking. She's got her arm. And it's a girl, of course. She's my hair. So, of course, it's a girl, a girly girl. Alright, so what we're going to do, this might become part of the leg. So let's split the body up. I'm turning her upside down. Alright, let's see here, guys. Ooh, I like it. I'm seeing... Oh, I like it. Yeah. Oh my god, guys. This is so cool already. Oh, I got a great idea. Okay, so this part that I just took right off, this is going to be the rat tail. She's a girl, but she's also going to have like a rat tail. Because I remember like in New Kids on the Block, when I grew up watching that, I was in love with Danny. And Danny, I had a Barbie doll, and he had a little rat tail coming out. So here's our voodoo doll girl. Oh my god, this is amazing. I kind of feel like this is like a Grinch doll on some level because it's like super creepy. It kind of reminds me of the Grinch. So it's a girl. Here's her little legs. My God, this is great. Oh my God, she's got her rat tail. I guess that's pretty good. I could probably add to it, but for now, I think that's a pretty good VooDoo doll, guys, so far. What do you think? VooDoo doll made of my hair with a rat tail, with little legs. Oh my God, this is so freaking fantastic and weird and strange, and I love every part of it. Now I have to think about who I'm going to use this on. Who has done me wrong? Where's my needle? Where's my needle? Hang on. Ooh. All right. The moment of truth, guys. The moment of truth. Oh, I got so many people that have done me wrong. Oh, I got so many. You wouldn't think so. Is it Gwendolyn? Pierce you in your heart. Oh, how do you like that, Gwendolyn? Huh? 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 Okay. Is it Tommy? Maybe I'll just break your leg, Tommy. Huh? You like that, Tommy? Break a leg. Or is it Samantha? How about right through the head? Huh? You like that, Samantha? You want more of that? Huh? 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 Maybe it's Samantha. Who else is on my list? How about... Oh, I could like push this down the stairs. Who wants to fall down the stairs? I think Tony might want to fall down the stairs. I'm pretending that there's stairs here, guys. See ya, Tony. Bye-bye. Tony just fell down the stairs and he broke his ankle. I could have a lot of fun with this, and I clearly am already. So if you don't want to be on my list, I'm a nice person, I really am. If you don't want to be on my list of enemies who's going to have my VooDoo doll hair, then be nice, guys. Be nice to me in 2018. If you dig this video and my VooDoo doll made of hair, let me know, and I'll be sure not to stab you. So whoever tells me doesn't get the hacks of the VooDoo doll. So y'all better comment down below and subscribe. Otherwise, off with your head. Thank you guys for watching. I'm glad you saw the creepy side of me. Goodbye.